What's up, guys? Welcome back once again to your favorite crypto corner. What if you had an AI that never sleeps and it scans everything in real time to guide your next move? Today, we're talking about a predictive AI platform that is designed to bring advanced financial intelligence straight to traders and investors who want to stay ahead instead of chasing trends. Welcome back, guys. Let's dive into this massive project. Imagine having your own AI team working around the clock to help you make smarter financial decisions. That is exactly what Ozak AI does. It starts with Eon, which is your dashboard where all predictions and strategies come together. Then you have prediction agents, which are your personal AI analysts that track tokens, trends, or market sentiment for you. Behind them is Neuron, which is the powerful AI brain that processes data from the Ozak streaming network, which constantly feeds live financial and blockchain information. And most importantly, everything you do is kept private in your data vault, so your strategy stays secure while you still use the full intelligence of the system. Alright guys, now that you have met the team, here is exactly how everything connects. The Ozak AI system runs in a clear 4-step flow that literally anyone can follow. It starts with the Ozak streaming network, which gathers billions of data points from across the financial world, including prices, volume, and even social media signals. That data is then stored safely inside data vaults, which are encrypted and organized so it's ready for analysis. As you can guess, guys, next comes the Neuron, which is the core AI brain. When you ask for insights, it pulls the relevant data from the vault, studies millions of points, and finds meaningful patterns. And finally, guys, the results will then show up on your Eon dashboard. They are clean, they are visual, and they are easy to understand so you can make better decisions instantly. All of this runs on a decentralized network called DeepIn, meaning that it's powered by users worldwide instead of a single company. This move makes Ozak faster, it makes it safer, and it gives full control back to the community. But I have to say that all of this innovation doesn't stop at the tech itself. The team has opened the doors for early supporters through the ongoing OZ pre-sale, now in phase 6 and moving pretty fast. The current price is about 0.012 USDC, with the next phase already lined up to increase. As you can see, guys, the pre-sale has raised over $4 million and nearly 1 billion tokens have been sold so far. That kind of traction shows how much attention Ozak AI is getting from both retail and institutional investors. That being said, guys, if you want to join this massive opportunity, start by visiting ozak.ai and connecting your crypto wallet like MetaMask, Wallet Connect, or Coinbase Wallet. Then choose how you want to pay, whether that be ETH, USDC, or USDT. Enter the amount, confirm the transaction, and you are in. What's amazing and important to highlight is the fact that early buyers have already seen strong returns, and the platform also offers a 10% referral bonus in OZ for every purchase made through your link. This is a very easy way to grow your holdings while helping more people discover the project. But before we finish this video, guys, let's take a quick look at what's backing this project. The Ozak team had all their core smart contracts in the OZ token audited by Certic and Sherlock, which are two of the most trusted security firms in blockchain. And inside this ecosystem, OZ token powers literally everything you do. You can use it to activate AI agents for crypto, stocks, or forex. You can access live analytics from the Ozak streaming network, and you can even earn rewards when your models perform well. And they're not doing it alone, because Ozak AI is partnered with major tech players like Sentient, OpenGPU, Mind AI, and others, which shows how serious they are about scaling their predictive intelligence network globally. On top of that, their communities on X and Telegram are growing fast and are filled with traders, AI builders, and investors who actually understand the tech. As you can see, guys, the momentum behind this project keeps building, and it's only getting started. With real tech, with trusted partners, and a live pre-sale, this could definitely be one of the strongest AI projects to watch right now. Don't miss it. This is your favorite altcoin Bitcoin Gem Finder signing off.